All right, so 6 stakes on this one. One here at the beginning. It's gonna be a gate right here. And then 2 in each corner. So we got 2 here, 2 in that corner, that's 5, and then 1 over at that end. And I'm just using this figure 4 method. I've talked about this before. My post is gonna go right here. So my post goes right here. These guys just mark the different lines. And here's just a look at the marks I leave for this. So every 8 feet, so this is like the 10th post right here. There's a line in the center, exactly in the center. And then there is a box, and the box is where the post is gonna be, and that's underneath my string line. So you just go on down the line, 8 more feet, same deal. It's a little hard to see on this rough ground, but there's my straight line in the middle of the 8-foot span. That's at 72. Then there's the box. All right, so those top pieces are in, not just in front, but around the rest of the fence. I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough so you can kind of see it. We've got the gaps that are ready for the lattice, evenly spaced, and posts are gonna be topped and capped. And there are a couple steps up on this fence, kind of for style, and then also because there's a high spot over here in the yard, so we got a step up, and then level over here, and a step up with the taller section. That's an 8-foot section. This is 6, so the panels are built. It's time to box out those slots on top and then put on the lattice. All right, another fence in the bag. That was a fun one. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you in the next project.